sali tayo. Dapat sabay-sabay naman tayo. Sumama niya. What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel.
My name is Lovely.
My name is Jeline.
My name is Victor and we are TeamBAHH.
In this video, we're gonna show to you what are the hand tools used for computer servicing.
But before we start, let us know what is hand tool.
So, hand tools or a hand tool is a tool held in the hand and operated without electricity or other power.
So now we know what a hand tool. Let's proceed to the types of hand tools used for computer servicing.
First, we have Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, long nose pliers, needle nose pliers, soldering iron, and soldering tool stand.
Crack it.
First, let us know what's the use of Phillips screwdriver.
Phillips screwdriver is used to drive or fasten positive slotted screws. It is a screwdriver that could take greater torque and could provide tighter fastenings.
So second is flathead screwdriver.
Flathead screwdriver is used to drive or fasten negative slotted screws.
Crack it.
And then we have long nose pliers.
Long nose pliers is used for holding, bending, and stretching the lead of electronic component or splicing wires.
Next, we have needle nose pliers.
Needle nose pliers, mainly used to hold small wire and parts when you figures just can't do it. Get a small set of needle nose pliers with tinges for working with small parts, and a larger set for bigger jobs. Most electronic work will depend on needle nose pliers, which are especially adept at working with wires, bending and twisting them, pushing them through holes, and so on.
And last, we have soldering iron and soldering tool stand.
Soldering iron is a tool for applying heat to melt solder in attaching two metal parts. Soldering tool stand is a place where the soldering iron is placed during usage. This will keep the soldering iron away from flammable materials. The stand often comes with a sponge used in cleaning the tip of soldering iron.
So now we know the uses of those hand tools. So how do we maintain and storing hand tools?
To maintain the life of hand tools, you must keep them in good condition and store it in respective toolbox. If you don't have toolbox, you can use shoebox.
So thanks for watching this video.
We hope that you learned something new.
If you enjoyed, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.